Guys. Huh? Well, what is it? Hold on. Alright. Sorry, we were watching the Owl House. Yeah, we can't wait for the final episode. Anyways, what do you need to show us? Look at the sword I got. Whoa, that looks so cool. Nice. Yeah, I'm gonna use it on Kingpin whenever he steals the eggs. Yeah, I think I'll just leave this here. Hey everyone, welcome to another quick unboxing video. I got a mini Sonic figure that was from the Sonic 30th anniversary. Yeah, my sister got this one for me. Anyways, he's doing a kind of cool pose, one that he usually does. It's from Jakks Pacific. Alright, trying to open this up. Alright, I got him out. So yeah, he's just doing this really sweet pose, and I thought it'd be cool to make an unboxing video of him. Gotta be fixing. Alright, so that's all the time I got for you guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Alright, see ya. Bye.